Hey Rick, thank you for clicking on my video today. Today I want to cover three different topics. The first being content, second being backlinks and keywords, and the third being citations. Before we jump into that, I want to introduce myself. My name is Joshua Gutierrez. I'm with Scenic Spark SEO. I love helping small business owners achieve their goals and their dreams and hopefully help them grow. So with that, let's jump to it. We are now looking into your company, which is Watt Electric LLC. I can see when I pull up electrician Albuquerque, New Mexico, you're on the 40th position. So let's go ahead and have a look at your website. And I really like how this popped up. That's really nice when you first bring it up. Oh, I like that part too. I really like the picture that you've chosen here. Um, it's very awesome. I like these pictures too. This is a beautiful picture. Oh yeah, I love the way this came in as well. Okay, you got your form here, your submit form. Okay, awesome. Overall, your website looks really nice. Um, there is one thing that Google really looks for in content, which we're going to talk about, and that is 1,500 to 2,000 words. So what we're going to do is we're going to check on your content and see what you have. So we copy all of your content and we plug them into a word counter. Okay, wow, you got 1,000 words, so you have pretty much content on there, which isn't bad. I mean, but Google really loves 1,500 to 2,000, so that's kind of where we're at in the content with your website. Now, let's look at your competitor's website. So if we scroll down, this is the top page of Google. Have you mind? Uh, we have Angie and Yelp up here in the top two slots. And let me explain something real quick before we jump into your competitor. These guys right here are nationally ranking here because they are pushing national power. But the way that, let's just say firsthand, the way we could beat them is if we use the keywords for this service area, which is Albuquerque, New Mexico, for electricians, for whatever we want to use for the people to search for you. So we can outrank these guys, but we also have to do outrank Wagner Mechanical. So these guys right here are your competition. So let's pull up their website, and from the looks of it, it looks pretty good. Not too bad. From the looks of it, I really think your website has way more content than this. I could tell you right now just by looking at it. This has about 700, um, but that's not where they are ranking. Now, I purchased this tool. It's called Ahrefs, and what we can do with this is we can look into each website and actually look at it in live time. So I took the liberty and punched in your website here. So we are looking at the UR and the DR. This is what we really want to look for. And the UR is basically the strength of your website, which is a 6 out of a scale of about 100. Your DR that shows that it's trusted. So that's kind of where what Google is saying, how much they trust your site. These are the backlinks that go to it, which you have 92. You have 19 organic keywords. Now let's compare it to your competitor. Okay, look, they have 21 UR. You have a 6 UR. Their DR is 33. Yours is 0.7. You have 92 backlinks. They have almost about 2,500 backlinks. They have 655 referring domains. You have 9. So basically what we have to do is in the backlink is try to get as much as they have. So that's basically what we do, and the way that we do that is to make sure that, like, if you come over here, we can look at their backlinks and see what they have. So we can go through all this backlink, and these are all the backlinks that they're running right here, and that's all we got to do is plug and chug all these ones that they have. Another thing that we can do as well, and what we can target for, and we have access to all this, is organic keywords. So as we said before, you have 19 organic keywords. Now have in mind, these are the keywords that are searching for your website. Volume 150, 28 KD, and well, you got a couple in here. Electricians in Albuquerque, 100, that's pretty good search volume. Okay, so you want to look at theirs. Awesome. So they have 12,000 organic keywords. So we have, like I said before, I mentioned before, we have access to all this. So um, with keywords and backlinks, we can pretty much do what they're doing. So the third thing I really want to talk about is citations. Now, citations are located on top of the map pack of each page, whatever you look up. So if you look up, say, plumbing, Albuquerque, New Mexico, then top plumbers are going to be located up here. So anyway, with that being said, these three right here are ranked on the top, and what citations are basically, it's like a digital phone book connected to your business. So these ones have probably the most interaction with that, the longest time, a lot of citations that directories that are tied to these. Also, with citations and everything up in the map pack area to be positioned up here, what we need to do is optimize your Google Business Profile to where it's 100% and not, 50, 60%. So Google likes that. So basically, if we go down, let's kind of look for where you are. Okay, Watt Electric. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So you're in the 15th position, and like I said, we can easily rank your site as well up here in the top 3. So that's about it. That's all I have for you. I hope this video works out for you. I hope that you find it very informational, Rick, and yes, you could do whatever you want with it. Obviously, this is free information, but feel free if you need help. Maybe there's something that you might want to do, and we can definitely work together and help you rank to the top. If not, like I said, use this as free information, no harm, no foul. With that, have a good night, and hopefully speak with you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.